Welcome to today's review on the Hercules DJControl Inpulse 302 mAh Quatches DJ controller. This compact and stylish controller is designed to help aspiring DJs gain confidence fast, with intuitive features that guide you while you mix, making it a perfect entry point into the world of DJing. Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in description below to get this DJ controller at the best price in the market. The Hercules Inpulse 302 mAh Quatches comes equipped with a complete 2-deck mixer layout and 16 responsive performance pads that allow for easy triggering of samples, loops, and hot cues, giving beginners hands-on experience with professional DJ techniques without feeling overwhelmed. One of the standout features is the built-in Beatmatch guide, which uses light guides to visually indicate when your tracks are perfectly aligned, training your ears and fingers simultaneously so you develop real mixing skills rather than relying on auto-sync shortcuts. Additionally, this controller supports tracks from popular platforms like Beatport Advanced, BeatSource, SoundCloud Go Plus, and Tidal, letting you build and play your first playlist or even perform live sets from day one. The included Serato DJ Lite and JAWS software make it incredibly easy to start mixing immediately. And for those looking to upgrade in the future, the Inpulse 302 mAh Quatches is fully compatible with Serato DJ Pro, ensuring you won't outgrow it too quickly. The controller's built-in sound card simplifies setup, eliminating the need for extra gear, while the robust USB connection ensures low latency and smooth performance. Its compact size also makes it perfect for bedroom DJs or traveling performers, and the intuitive layout ensures every control is easily accessible. While it's designed for beginners, the professional-grade construction and responsive controls provide a surprisingly polished feel, so it's also great for practice before moving on to larger setups. A few minor considerations include that advanced DJs may eventually want more channels or higher-end features, and the included software might have some limitations compared to full professional suites. But for beginners, it's more than enough to learn, experiment, and enjoy performing. Overall, this DJ controller strikes a perfect balance between affordability, usability, and skill development, making it an ideal choice for anyone starting their DJ journey. From intuitive Beatmatch lights to versatile software support, compact design, and responsive pads, every feature is thoughtfully included to ensure beginners can learn efficiently while having fun. If you've been looking for a device that's beginner-friendly, full-featured, and ready to use straight out of the box, the Hercules DJControl Inpulse 302 mAh Quatches is definitely worth checking out. And don't forget to click the link in the description below to grab it at the best price and start mixing like a pro today.